Hi, welcome to Shake Inside. I know you love watching cricket, right? So I'm going to use cricket as an example to explain fundamental analysis. So assume you are a cricket selector responsible for choosing the best player for the national team. Just like cricket selector analyze various aspects of each player performance. Fundamental analyst in the world of investment assess the performance and potential of companies. They do this by looking at something called financial statement, which are like the statistics of cricket players. Financial statement provide valuable data about a company post performance. Just like cricket player statistics show how well they have played in the past. Cricket selectors study these statistics to understand player performance, and fundamental analysts analyze financial statement to evaluate a company financial health and track records. But you might be wondering, how is someone like Warren Buffett so successful if he has the same information as everyone else? Well, just like a cricket selector who uses their expertise and experience to interpret player statistics, fundamental analysts apply their knowledge and skill to extract meaningful insight from financial statements. They dive deeper into the numbers, looking for patterns, trends, and hidden opportunities that others might miss. In addition to financial statement, fundamental analysts also consider other factors just like cricket selectors do. Cricket selectors may look at a player's temperament, leadership qualities, or teamwork skills. Similarly, fundamental analysts consider qualitative aspects of a company such as its management team, competitive advantage, and market position. These additional factors help them form a more complete view of company potential. The key things to remember is that fundamental analysts rely on same basic information as regular investors. The difference lies in their ability to analyze and interpret that information using their expertise and experience. By understanding this concept, you are on your way to becoming a skilled observer of financial statement and making informed decisions. Just like a cricket selector assembling a winning team, who knows, you might become the Warren Buffett of investing world one day. Now let's take a look at the basic thing required to analyze companies. First, we have financial statement. In cricket, each player performance is tracked through statistics like runs scored, batting average, and bowling. Similarly, fundamental analysts use financial statements such as income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flow to understand a company financial performance. Next, we have financial ratio. Just like cricket statistics provide a perspective on player performance, financial ratio help analysts assess a company financial health. Ratios like price to earning ratio or return on investment provide valuable insight into company valuation and profitability. Then we have industry analysis. In cricket team analyze their opponent strategies and strength to devise their own game plan. Similarly, fundamental analysts study the industry a company operates in to understand its competitive landscape, market trend, and potential risk and opportunities. Economic analysis is also important. Just like weather affecting cricket matches, economic condition can impact investment. For example, a recession may affect consumer spending and impact company revenue. However, just like cricket teams adapt their game plan to changing conditions, fundamental analysts use economic analysis to identify companies that can withstand economic fluctuation or capitalize on recovery. While professional cricket team may have specialized coaches and extensive resources, Likewise, these great investors like Warren Buffett will have specialized team to analyze companies before investing. But you can still apply fundamental analysis to make informed decision, just like a passionate cricket fan can understand and analyze the game without being a professional player. I hope you enjoyed this learning experience where we used cricket to explain fundamental analysis. By understanding the basics of fundamental analysis, utilizing the available financial information, you can develop valuable skill that will help you make better investment decision in the future. So, even if you don't play cricket, you can still appreciate the parallel between this sport and the world of finance. Keep exploring and learning, and who knows, maybe one day you will be the next Warren Buffett of the investing world. I have created a playlist for absolute beginners to learn about investing on a way to create young Warren Buffett. Link in description. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy investing.